We are just hours away from Super Bowl 55, and this is a live look at Tampa Bay this morning, where the Chiefs and the Buccaneers will kick off the big game. And while some fans might be tempted to watch the game with friends and family today, like we always do, local health officials are warning people to stay at home this year. Eyewitness News reporter Jade Hernandez is live with what's being done to try and urge people to stay at home and avoid gatherings.
Good morning. We're live at Taco Shore. We're just in front of that restaurant. It's in Belmont Shore in Long Beach, and management told me that they are actually closing early. They're going to close at 5 p.m. tonight because management was concerned that there would be a large crowd due to the Super Bowl. Now, Long Beach is one of the only places that actually will allow TVs and screens at outdoor eateries, just like Taco Shore. Taco Shore will have a TV up, but here in Long Beach, city leaders are following their own health department and not adhering to LA County's requirement, barring those TVs and screen outdoors. And there is some concern that Super Bowl gathering could lead to a super spreader event. Now, the LA County Department of Public Health banned all television screens at restaurants and eateries to limit the number of people who actually gathered in front of them. Long Beach decided not to follow LA County's lead, meaning football fans can legally watch the Super Bowl at a restaurant, cafe, or eatery today. Now, not everyone is jumping at the chance to do so, even though some Long Beach residents support having those TVs and screens outside.
I think it's great as long as people stay protected. Yeah, we need some freedom. Come on, we've been locked down for 9 months now, but I think people need to be safe about it. You know, social distancing is key, and follow the rules.
Well, the city of Long Beach has their venue task force out this weekend, making sure everyone is following the health order. The city published a list of restaurant requirements to make sure restaurants follow safety protocols, and that's exactly the list that management here at Taco Shore showed me. They know of the things that they are supposed to do to make sure their employees and customers stay safe. And again, they've opened their doors just a few moments ago, but they're going to close at 5 p.m. because they will have a TV out front, but they want to make sure that a large crowd doesn't gather here later tonight.
Hello, I'm Mark Brown. Get more great ABC7 content by clicking the subscribe button for our YouTube channel, and download the ABC7 Los Angeles streaming app on Fire TV, Android TV, Apple TV, and Roku to watch on your TV.